when no hensi can yom one Nigerian women social media advisors, the relationship advisors, marriage counselors. Nwaanyị ndị a Chineke mejugoro n'ike nye ha amamihe ha wepụta na social media solving a lot of marital problems and relationship problem. Kite enwegozikwu solution nwezie class for ụmụ nwaanyị ndị di ha nara ala. Amụrụ solution unu nwere inye ha mana nke ọbụla unu na-provide Chukwu gba unu ume unu na anwa mana asị m ka anyị yọọ unu welukwu oyele ayọkwuo women in general biko no ka unu bido kwube welunu your platforms welunu your energy welunu the same wisdom unu ji provide all these solutions to women and their marriages and their relationships biko no welunu that same everything kunu kuzibelu na ụmụ nwaanyị maka family planning na ọ dị mkpa. Family planning dị mkpa ndo ngị bụ nwaanyị bụ onye ya agba mbọ na ifulu na unu mere gịnị family planning maka gịnị ịka nwoke ghọta family expenses. Ọ ngị bụ nwaanyị ka nwoke ya enye 5,000 nye 10,000 ngị nwere ije ahịa ọ ngị ya ejeje crack ya isi gị mana gị esi nwere 10,000 na 5,000 si ofe mee stew mata garị nwoke adị eche nke a ihe ọmakwa bụ na onye na-aga ego nya bụ na nwere ihe gbasara nwoke gbasara family planning ihe ma bụ onye ichewele ike gị ọ na-atụwa gị ime na amụma ọ gbasara ya ọ nke bụ nwaanyị most times bụ onye ụmụ ya na-abịakwute mama I want this ọ nke bụ nwaanyị ka ọ ya na-abịakwute I don't know and I don't want to ever know or be in that situation where my child will come for something and I cannot provide it. I don't want to be in that situation. Why? Because I know how it feels as a child. Needing things, important things, and my parents could not provide it. I know what it is like. So I don't want to ever have my child be in that situation. So I don't want to know how it feels as a parent not providing it. Nyabu mwoke yazo. Mwoke yazo kuwadele gimfe komoge nwike to bali gulu ka izu ha ka anya gị luo ha ka ịchịkọnata nwo ha nwoke ya azụ born according to your income before asking gị sew your clothes according to your size. No, sew your clothes according to your material. Ọ bụrụ na otu ụkwụ trouser bụ ihe material gị ya akwale gị nna akwalite otu ụkwụ trouser gawa. Ọ bụrụ na ọsọsọ neck ka ya akwale gị weli ya kwale neck. You don't need to go and sew according to your size. Sew it according to your material. Mono kono yazo to take away children from the street. Mono kono yazo to avoid having your children live with all these daytime witches and wizards. Not everywhere looking for somebody's child. Hage memina. Today, I watched a video of a little girl Nebuyalahia motor crushed to death. Isi egbalie. Ọ bụrụ na nwatakịrị a nọ n'ụlọ, ọ bụ na nwatakịrị a nọ n'ụlọ akwụkwọ nọ nara Ebuyalahia, ọ ga-anwụ. Ọnwụ nwatakịrị a hitili mụ because I know what it is like as a child being on the street hawking. I hit because I have experienced near-death experience as a child hawking. Nke me na flyover na Aba n'Iruro Koye. Just one day I was relaxing ka nzuo ike tupu agagidego m ije ụkwụ na afụzi m ụfụ. Ụmụ bọs ndị a na-agba Port Harcourt to osisi ọma otu Ụmụahịa bịa no kwụsị ebe a na-apọmpụta ya. One woman inside the bus called me to buy banana. I rushed to sell my banana to her. She pointed about 2 or 3 bananas with some granules. As I put down my tray and unkecheli a banana, I don't know who pulled me. I don't know what pulled, but something or someone with a force threw me out that I landed on the floor, on the ground. And this car from nowhere hit that bus like the way that cars were grand ya my train pan ọ bụrụ na moto a jamụrụ nke m ekpemela ma nke m agwụla. Ihe ụmụazị na-agabiga na street ebe ha na-ebugharị ahịa efe ọ dị too much. In Nigeria unu mana ndị driver ndị si dị mma kalịlị ndị si na-adịrọ mma kalịlị ndị si dị mma. Na mmadụ ya eje nnọọ bulu nnọọ moto tinye n'ụzọ no driving school no driving license ọ na-agba. Even most of people nwere driving license did not even get it through due process. Ama m one boy like that na our compound na about that time. All of a sudden this boy don't even know how to no driving school no driving experience. One day he just went and entered inside one gwongworo moto ndị a na-eji inside tipa moto ndị a na-eji ebu aja. Otu a ka o si wee wuru driver n'anya nnukwu moto. Even though he drove it successfully, but he did not go to any driving school. Na Nigeria unu mana ndị mmadụ anara service moto ha na ya afụ somebody bụ a driver waya court la court o nwelie o chikonati ọnụ moto start kikikikikiki ọ gbapụna ọ pụọ n'ụzọ felu break moto tinye isi ebe dị mma. Na Nigeria unu mana ụzọ adịrọ mma, children are everywhere hawking. Government is not doing anything to help. Why don't you help yourself? The other day, a woman on social media said your child will not sit on her couch. You people left the message. I want to tear apart the messenger. She told you people to born as you fit train. Say your pikin no go sit down for her couch. Say her couch is more important, is more valued than your child. You did not want to get the message. What you want to know is how wicked she is. When you know that there are many witches and wizard women, there are women, daytime witchcraft women, ụmụazị ha na ha bi ji ọnụ na-ekpe ekwere, ụmụazị ha na ha bi na-ata kọnkịrị. They are suffering another woman's child. Onye nke a na that made her own clear. You people want to tear her apart. Instead of you to tear her apart, make sure you born as you fit take care of, so that your child will not end up in a hand like that. Obulu na choro ke nwa gị nọ leba ya na-eki ọkpọ na-ememe. We take away childhood from children. Ụmụazị bido n'oge bibe ndụ as adults. Child labor. We take away childhood from children. Obulu na choro ka nwa gị end in that situation that no ga na-eto na akwa alele, and you the mother, you are nowhere close to understand what your child is going through. Mụọ ka ya azụ maka na ana m aga agwaba onye ọbụla nọ m nso mana ifulu ihe ịmụ nwa anụwa ebum ya n'isi. Ana m agwa onye ọbụla mma nọ m nso mma. Even today, when I was speaking with one of my friends, I talked about it. More so sofu. Ihe ndị asịwara gị mụọ ofu mụọ ibu bụ maka na ị nwere ike ha pesie mpo otu anụwa, you will not even understand the expenses. Ihe ị gaghị eji wee ghọta ya bụ na otu anọ kịta anụwa, when it comes to family expenses, ihe anyị ji arụ ọnụ ụlọ is under my care, and I know what my family expenses is like in 2016, 2014, when my kids were so small. I know what my family expenses is when in 2018, 2020, as they are growing up. I know what my family expenses is now, and it is choking. Everything is getting more expensive. They are kids. They don't understand nothing. All they know is you will go shopping. Before you know it, they have right list and keep for you in the fridge. And mapawara again a fridge. Epota eche mangotere milk aguna, eche mangotere tea aguna. Ụmụazị ga na-agbanje na kitchen up and down, up and down. Ha nọrọ ha na n'ụlọ, their mouth will not close from morning till night. Ị ga-asị ihe ri na nni ọ ihe signed as parents. Mụọ ka ị azụ n'ọdịrị izi ịzụ nwa. Mụọ ka ị azụ ka ị nwee ike zụ nwa gị n'ụlọ akwụkwọ baala gị ụlọ. One child trained ọfụma is better than 10 children na-enwero ị na-azụrụ. Asịkwana na God na-bless gị na ọ bụrụ God na-enye gị nwa. Ịma ihe imele mụta nwa. Ọ bụrụ na God na-bless gị, everybody, God will give everybody what? Children. Ọ bụrụ God na-bless gị, he should bless you with life, bless you with health, bless you with money. But no, ijiri arụ, ijiri ego, ịkpara ndụ, nothing. Ọnwụ ike here and there. So ihe God flow ya bless gị with is children, to bring them out to come and suffer. Mụọ ka ị azụ. Mụọ ka ị azụ ka ị nwee ike nwee mekwa gịnị? Take more care of yourself na nka, because n'ihe ndị anụnwaanyị ji ụmụ amụchikosi ebe niile, we are still putting these children in the same situation that our parents put us, because some or most of us end up to be doing what? Taking responsibilities of our parents. How? By taking care of what? Our siblings. I don't want to be in this, I don't want to put my children in the situation that they will grow up and begin to finance one another. No. Ọ dịrọ mma. Ọ bụrụ na ị mụọ ka ị azụ, ụmụ gị enwe ike mee gịnị? They independent na onwe onwe ha. Take care of this, at least they can do their own personal expenses. But when those children become much, you see the parents, they will just try and struggle and train one. When they train that one, you think you have succeeded. You have not succeeded. You know why? Because that one you train will do what? End up with overload. The one you train, he or she will be struggling to do what? Take care of you as the parents, because the child cannot overlook all your sacrifice as the parents. That person you have trained will also do what? Try to pull the siblings. It is draining. That same person you train, remember, he or she have his or her what? Own life. Oga no wanye, oga mota omunke ya. So at the end of the day, you see that you end up training nobody. You end up training nobody. Or you are waiting for, you are giving birth for an NGO to come and train them for you. What if there is no one that comes to your aid? Can they help everybody? Government is not assisting in anything. Otu ọmụmụ nọ kịta anụnwa na ana m ego akwụkwọ n'ụlọ anụnwa is because I want to have a little library in my home. Outside that, government provides every damn school material. Otu anụnwa, nobody have ever told me to buy this textbook. This is the textbook we are using. I don't even get to see my children's textbook, because when they resume, when school resumes, they give them the textbook. They only come back with textbook at the end of the final term. That is when they will come back with their textbook. That is when I will know the textbook they used. Nobody is telling you to buy novel. Nobody is telling you to buy pen, pencil. All these things, government provides it. But na Nigeria, we're a country, at least government takes care of at least school materials, makes school affordable. But ịga akwụkwọ school fees, ị na-akwụkwọ, ị na-achọkwa nke ị ga-agakwa ụmụ gị ga-eme gịnị, ga-amụta ihe. Schools are not equal. Ka ị na-eme ka ị na-provide these school materials. All these things, it is too much. You end up getting tired, you end up struggling, or high blood pressure, too much. Before you know it, before you know it, it is too much. All this calculation on up, left, right, center, it is too much. Don't put your children in the same situation your parents put you. That now, you will not be able to be taking care of children and also be bringing out little things that you can use to take care of yourself at old age? Or do you want to depend on your children the same way your parents depend on you? Nya bukunu na akọ na du na anara ala unu bikonu beke enu sure na unu na amuku unu ya eme gịnị ka unu ya azụ. Otu nwa ofihi ya ejide ka bụ otu nwa na nwa na abụọ ịmụrụ zụọ ha ọfụma ma na akwụkwọ ka mma mee gịnị karịa nwa ili ị na-azụrụ. That is what you should take home from this video. Ka m kwụsịkwa na ebe a, ọ ka bụkwado unu nwaanyị Ngozi Mmadụ, onye nta akụkọ gị na Igbo Amaka TV. Nọdụnụ mma ka emesịanụ, oyibo akalịkwa na vidio nke anọ mana anyị adịba